Time for the Intense 5. Let's go.
Number 5.
The twins have been revealed. Ashley's brother and sister were all over Instagram after Beyonce posted a gorgeous picture with her holding them. Happy 1-month birthday, Rumi and Sir Connor.
Hey, my family! Oh, I'm excited! When I see the picture, I'm going to screenshot it and now it's my screensaver. Family photos, Christmas cards, everything.
So you're going to print them and send them out too?
Photoshop myself in
I can't manage.
Number 4.
3 shootings in 2 days in New Kingston alone. I just don't get what's going on. This crime is getting out of hand. We need to take back our country.
Number 3.
People are just noticing that Popcorn no longer reps for Gaza because they don't see the tattoo. Apparently, Popcorn covered it up with the OVO symbol. Well, it's his body. Why are people making such a big deal?
Number 2.
Speaking of big deal, did Aishana really dismiss Lou? So on Instagram, Aishana posted a pic wearing a carnival costume and captioned that she doesn't wear tablecloths like Miss Lou. Anyways, she's getting some heavy backlash. You cannot diss a legend. Like Miss Lou too? No sir.
And finally, holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, Audley Shaw's phone bill. I think everyone knows about this $8 million. That is a lot. He's paid some of it and he got a discount, but still enough money that I really feel like said it dropped for number 1 still.
The
but
video when it dropped.
I never said it, okay? That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to check out our vlogs at facebook.com/tvjintense and televisionjamaica.com.
And follow us on the gram at TVJ Intense. Up next, another Sumfest flashback. Intense soon forward.